Hey everyone, this is Seth with your Detail Doc Ceramic Coatings in Bay City. Just want to show you guys this 2020 Dodge Challenger Hellcat that we just did our level 3 ceramic coating package to, some paint protection film, and some dent removal. We put this thing on the lift, took all the wheels off, deep cleaned them, ceramic coated the calipers, ceramic coated the brakes, the wheels inside and out. See those big Brembos? All the wheels are gonna be easy to keep clean. We did a 3-stage paint correction with minor wet sanding on the paint to achieve a beautiful gloss and 90 to 95% perfection in the paint. Remove all the swirl marks and scratches. Reveal a beautiful jaw-dropping gloss. And then we put our highest quality ceramic coating, Crystal Serum Ultra, on all the painted surfaces to protect it for a very long time, maintain the gloss, make it super easy to wash, to keep clean. We coated all the windows. Check out that awesome shine. You can just see in the sun, not a single defect left in there. This thing is going to stay cleaner for longer, make washing off bugs, salt, dirt, dust, debris a whole lot easier, and have an amazing, beautiful shine for many years to come. It's a really cool car, kicks up a lot of brake dust, so we definitely went with the level 3 for the wheels too. If you guys would be interested in a ceramic coating just like this, make sure to give me a call at 989-244-0505. You can visit my website. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Let's get your car looking like this. Thank you guys for watching.